I'm going to be doing this process through the mobile apps, but you may also want to follow this guide using the desktop apps. It will work regardless of whichever method you choose. Let's open up Spotify first and play a random track. As you can see, Spotify is now playing in the background. Let's go ahead and open up YouTube and play a video. As you can see, this video is now playing on YouTube. As you may also notice, Spotify has automatically paused itself. Let's try to play the Spotify song once more. Immediately, YouTube video pauses itself. Likewise, if we play the YouTube video, Spotify automatically pauses again. Essentially, what this means is that as of 2022, on mobile, there is no official way to play Spotify and YouTube at the same time. However, if you use the desktop app, then you might be able to do this. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware that there is no official way to play both at the same time on mobile.